Bueno, aquí estamos con otro video de, no sé si se trata de robar el avión o capturar a un malo con la cannonball.
Hey, I've been looking at the numbers here. What do you think?
Aquí hay
yes.
maneras.
Let me have a look.
El avión.
Go, hold him off. Come on, then.
Sonic.
Everyone listen up. We've got a security alert. Keep a lookout for a guy in a big plastic ball. No, I'm serious.
Hurry up now, activate the doors.
Fue el secundario.
Whoa.
El oye.
No, get away. Now I've got you.
Cuchillo. Lo más obvio.
Help! Listen. You've defeated my right-hand man, and you've defeated me. I surrender the airship to you. Good work, Henry. Now just get him to us. We'll get you that back.
Malos.
You think they're alright? Pretty big fall. I'm sure Henry had a plan. What is it?
Totally.
Henry!
Tanque.
Check. This is Charles. Thought I'd give you a heads up. There's a guy down there, a bad guy. So, yeah. Good luck. Hey, good job there. Oh, so you should probably look for something incriminating. Something that we can use to prove that they're criminals, you know? I mean, the whole point of this operation. All right, gentlemen. We've been tasked with developing new weapons for the clan. Any ideas? That's kind of thinking.
O algo así. Pégame.
No, we can't do that. Why not, man? You do realize how much a solid gold cannon would weigh, don't you? Dude, we totally got enough power. What do you think, man? Well, I'm still kind of new here, so I'm not really sure what to say. Oh, hey, you see that record sign? Where it says records? That'd probably be a good place to look, right? let me just help you get across that gap. Huh? Alright, here it comes.
Pardon. Okay.
That guy knows how to open the door. Yeah, why don't you let me take care of this?
Understands this.
Yeah.
Voy a hacer tiros.
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh, hello, Mr. Spider. Alright, you got some evidence. Oh, wait. There's no way you're getting through there. Lots of guys and there's lots of guns. That's all I'm gonna say. It looks like you can get around if you go through that air duct. Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do? Okay, I'll reroute the power to a random room, that's fine. No! Alright, Henry, you're almost there. I'm right outside, so just open the bay doors and I'll get you on the chopper. Hey, what are you doing? Yeah, we got a situation down in the cargo bay. Hey, there's a button on your earpiece. You should press it.
What's going?
This could be a problem.
La última. Esa es la última. Por el túnel. Funciona.
And my apologies, everyone. Had to deploy some invasive maneuvers. A flock of ducks flew by.
Papelizo. Ah, me siento metiendo un papel. Soy liviano. El pequeñizador. Leo, no leo yo. No sé cómo se llama.
Hey, you! Stop right there! What's going on?
Looks like he set off some sort of alarm in the vault.
What? He's going rogue? Alright, move to plan B. Call in reinforcements and move in.
Yeah, this is Jeffrey. I got him right here, so you guys don't need to. Gotta get out of here. Got chaos at our front doorstep.
We're not built to deal with this, man. Go. Evacuate everyone. I can take care of this.
There he is. He's got the ruby.
Now forget about it. We've got to retreat, or else the Topic clan will be history. Orders, Captain?
Let him go.
What?
We got what we came for. He's not worth the trouble.